Yalla, let's go eat.
Jala, jala, jala. Nasz dobry znajomy z wczoraj, czyli Mansaf, Jamid, tylko o tym opowiadałem, ale nie pokazywałem. Tak właśnie wygląda to solone i suszone owcze mleko, na którego bazie robi się ów sos i w tym gotuje baraninę. To jest smak umami, no ale przecież nie to ma być clue programu, no bo czekamy na maklubę. Makluba is coming. Maria, first of all.
Coming.
Maria is coming.
I'm coming with the maklube. I saw you eyeing the jamid over there. Okay. So remember the maklube that we made?
Of course.
We're gonna flip it.
Yes.
So you have to count to 3. 1,
Yes.
2, 3. And wait.
1, 2, 3. And that will be 4.
And I'm gonna leave it here for a minute.
Okay.
We make a wish, you tap on it, and then very slowly.
Yes, it is.
Oh, looks so good.
Oh, this is sort of pilaf.
It's exactly, yeah, it's pilaf rice, right?
Pilaf rice.
Yeah. Now look, the other dishes, we made a lot of other dishes that I wanted to introduce you to, okay? Maklube, this is the part that we fight over, okay? I want to show you.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, caramelized. That,
Yes.
That must be the
The
best part.
caramelized aubergines, the cauliflower, the chicken, the spices on the rice.
Yeah. Ja się nie mogę powstrzymać. Sorry, I have to.
Shoot.
And?
Okay, so I'm gonna